These are the 4 things you need to do with your money if you want to escape poverty. As a matter of fact, this money habit is what differentiates the rich from the poor from the middle class. So if you understand this money habit, honestly, they're going to be a lot of transformation in your financial status. The first thing you do with your money is you earn it. This one is very important. It can be as a form of salary, it can be commission, it can be honorarium, it can be return on investment, but you must earn money. Even it can be gifts. Everybody that everybody can earn money, and everybody have the potential to make money. No matter your limitation, no matter your background, you have potential to make money. So the first thing, both the rich and the poor and the middle class, they all earn money. And I want to tell you something, it's not how much you earn, it is how much you can keep. A lot of people are making a lot of money, they are making a lot, but they don't have savings. They are still living in what we call rat race. They are still living from hand to mouth. It's not because they are not earning money, it's because they have a money habit that doesn't support growth. So the first thing you need to do is to find a way to earn money if you want to be rich and if you want to escape poverty. After earning your money, this is common sense. After earning your money, don't spend it. The next flow that your money must go to is you must invest it. Don't earn and spend, earn and invest. After investment, the next thing, investment is very important. Investment is very crucial if you want to escape poverty, because investment is what will bring deployment. Investment is what will bring financial advancement. So you must understand that investment is very crucial. The next thing you want to do with your money is you must spend it. The return that you have from your investment, that is what you will spend. So when you spend, you must now save. That is the last flow. You must save. Saving is very important. You must save for rainy day. So investment is very important. Likewise, saving and spending is also important, because you must eat the fruit of your labor. So remember, if you want to escape poverty, your money must follow these steps. Number one, you must earn it. Number two, you must invest it, because investment brings financial advancement. Number three, you must do what? You must spend and you must save. But do you now know the difference between the poor and the wealthy and the rich? Is because the rich will follow these 4 stages, but the poor will only follow 2 of these stages. The first one is they will earn it, and the second one is they will spend it. So they'll keep rotating on this same spot, spending, earning, spending, earning, spending, earning, spending. And that's what will keep you to be poor. So you must understand and come to this realization that you don't spend everything you earn. Now the middle class, they only follow these 3 habits. They only follow 3 habits from these 4 habits. And what do they do with their money? They earn it and they save it. And after saving, they spend it. Remember, the money you save does not grow. As a matter of fact, saving is not your friend. Investment is your friend. You can save. At the end of the day, inflation can crush your savings, can destroy your savings. Thief, cybercrime, or anything can destroy your savings. So middle class will earn, they will save. At the end of the day, when they are broke, they will go back to their savings. So that will keep them into that position of middle class. But the rich will follow this. The rich will follow this. And how do you invest? How do you invest your money? So I'm going to do another video, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to do another video on this my channel on how to invest your money. You must understand the 70-30 rules. So this one is very important. I hope this video will help someone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like. See you next time.